Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In today's newspaper on Friday, is last working day, Friday, October the 18th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. One puzzle is left. It's the Killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. News of the day, well, I've told you, the Hamas leader is terminated, by the Israelis. But the war is still going on, and not pleased, more than a year. Anyway, let me continue with this one. Killer Sudoku number 9453. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 2 given numbers, 2 printed numbers here. The 6 in this triple box of 21, that means that those 2 boxes together should be 15. And we have a given number 3 in this triple box of 6, that means those 2 boxes should be at 3. And there's only one combination for the box of 3, 1 and a 2. 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Alright, for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1. I can use this one. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1. So those 2 big squares I can start. And what you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Alright. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 7 plus 13 is 21. 7 plus 13 is 20. 7 plus 11 is 18. 18 plus 20 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. This box should be a 7. In the box of 8, the combination will be 7 plus 1. Now this big square has 2 given numbers. Okay, let's go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 14 is 28. 5 plus 11 is 16. 16 plus 28 is 44. 44. Well, 45 minus 44 is a 1. This box should be a 1. In the box of 10, the combination will be 1 plus 9. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 17. Only one combination. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. 14, 5, 14, 11, 13, 9, 9, 13, 5, 15, 12, 7, 5, 12, let me see, well, no more, well, this triple box of 6, there's only one combination for the triple box of 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Well, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 1 in this triple box of 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, okay. So my next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. For example, the box of 5. The 2 combinations for the box of 5, 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. The 1 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 1 and the 4 here. So it should be 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Let me see. 3, 3, 3. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 8. Well, one should be in this big square. We need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in this box. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 1 in that box. So, and we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here in the box of 10. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. The 9 is already used here in the box of 17. So definitely should be here then. In the box of 9, combination will be 1 plus 8. Alright. Then 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 8 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left. 8 goes in the box of 14. Combination will be 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. We have 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Now 2 combinations for the box of 14. 8 plus 6 and 9 plus 5. Well, the 8 and 6 is already used, so should be the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. Last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 7. Let me mark those. 4 and a 7. Then 7. Alright, 2 numbers. Well, in the last row, one of the missing number in the last row is the number 6. Yep, we need a 6 in the last row. Should be in the box of 13. Combination will be 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 7 and a 4. We have a 7 out in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then one of them missing. Oh wait, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between. The only 2 places left of the 6 goes in the box of 10. Combination 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. And 1 number left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, and 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. In the box of 10, the triple box of 10, those 2 boxes together should be a 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Alright, 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. In the box of 9, combination will be 5 plus 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. In the box of 14, combination will be 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. In the box of 13, the combination will be 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Alright, one of the missing number. Well, there are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 1 plus 5 and 2 plus 4. The 1 and the 5 is already used. So the 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those. 2 and the 4. So now we have 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 15, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6. The 6 is already used in this big square. So the 9 should be in the box of 12, combination 9 and the 3. 9 plus 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 7 and the 8. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Alright. 2 numbers left. Oh wait, 1 number. Wait. In this column, we have two missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is A. One is number 3. We need a 3 in this column. 3. Well, in the box of 7, combination will be 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. That means we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 2. Alright. Then, let me see. 8 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column 3, not only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7, of course, so it should be in the box of 13. Combination will be 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. Let me mark those. So now we have 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Well, I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed, so it should be in the box of 7. Combination 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be in, and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and then 9. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Let me mark those. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1 then. 9, 9. Need 1 here. 1, 1. 1 and 8. Okay, 1 and the 6. Yeah. 6, 6. 6 and the 5. 6 and the 1. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, from the first row. Only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 5, of course, so it should be here. In the box of 8, the combination will be 6 plus 2. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 now in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. Then, let me see. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 2 is already used in the first row, so I cannot place the 2 and the 3 here. Should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have 4 now in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. 8, 5. One of the missing number in the first row is number 7. Well, the 7 should be here in the box of 15. Combination will be 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. 8 and 5. We have 8 now in the first row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7, of course, so the 8 should be here in the box of 11. In the box of 11, the combination will be 8 plus 3. Well, there are 2 combinations in the box of 5. These 2 boxes together should be a 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 and the 4 is already used in this column, so I cannot place the 1 and 4 here. So it should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Then, 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 4, 4. 16. 9 and a 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Need an 8. Well, in this column we need an 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row, second row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7. The 8 and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. In the box of 12, combination will be 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. In this triple box of 19, 1 number left. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot place the 2 in the box of 12, of course. So the 2 should be here, and the 7 should be there. In the box of 12, combination with 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. One box left now in the third column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. In the box of 7, the combination will be... I've moved the camera. Apologies. Okay. In the box of 7, the combination will be 6 plus 1. One in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left with 1 goes in the box of 10, combination 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. One box left now in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. In the box of 6, combination will be 4 plus 2. One number left in the second column for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. In the box of 10, combination will be 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 4 and a 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Well, oh, 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 8 goes there. Then 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Then let me see. Two numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 5 goes there. In this triple box of 15, one box left. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 9 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So it should be a 2 stars. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, it will be a 1 star. But I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.